Hi guys. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick demo of the add customer functionality on the admin part of the site that I've built. The first thing that you'll notice is to access the admin part of the site, you're going to go to admin as a subdomain, and we're going to log in right now as a manager. This is the staff login page. There's also a login page for members. Okay, logging in, you'll see things I can do as a manager. There's two things I can do is I can manage members and I can manage staff. Right now I'm going to go ahead and add a concierge. Right now there's two types of staff. There's concierge and there's manager. We can add more types of staff as needed, but right now I just created two types. Once that's completed, then I've got a new staff person, and that person can then start logging in and doing things from the admin side. So let's go ahead and log out and try to log in as this new concierge. All of the logins will be first initial, last name. Okay, so now logged in as a concierge, you'll see that there's a little bit of a difference. I can only manage members, I can't manage staff, and I've set it up right now so only managers can manage staff. And we'll go ahead and try to add a new member. Here we have two different types of members. We have barrel members and Venophiles. Okay, great. Now, I've added these two boxes here to kind of show you what's going on. At this point, we're actually saving things with Authorize.net. And what's important here is this is the response I'm getting back, and this is the code that Authorize.net is giving me, showing me where this new customer record that I've created sits on their database. Now I can go ahead and add a credit card here, and let's go ahead. Well, let's go ahead and try something that's just not going to work, an expired card. That doesn't go through. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the card. And this time when I'm adding the card, it's actually going out to the Authorize.net database and storing the card there. And again, here's the request I sent to Authorize.net. Here's the response I'm getting back. Of course, I'm going to take these boxes away. This is just for the demo. And that's the number I'm getting back from Authorize.net. There's the masked credit card. It's a Visa. Here we have a status showing activated for club only, and I'll do a write-up explaining what the statuses are. This is an ID that can now be passed over to Digital Dining, and they can encode this ID over onto the cards, and that's the ID that kind of sits throughout the site. Let me go ahead and show one more thing, and that's the Comatose CMS that I was talking about last week. This is also on the back end, and this is it. It looks a lot like Radiant, functions a lot like Radiant. You're going to see here, this is just some HTML I ripped off of the City Winery site. Again, kind of the same as the demo I showed before. And if we go to the main site, there's the main City Winery site. So that's it. That's the add customer process. There's a lot of details I haven't explained. I'll probably talk to you guys later. There's a ton of details, but that's the general overview. Oh, one more thing. Here we got a long list of customers, and you can see it just kind of scrolls down, and there's a lot of customers there. Wouldn't it be cool if there was just like an easy way to search through all these customers and kind of get that list whittled down a little bit, making the customers easier to work with? And there is a little JavaScript search box, and we see just as we type in, kind of like Quicksilver on a Mac, the names pop up as you type. Just a nice little feature. Okay, and that's pretty much it. That's the add customer process. There's a lot to check out if you go in there and check it out.